Hello viewers, welcome to Basic Maths with Master Good. Today let's learn the laws of indices with example. Now the first law of indices says that x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. For example, if you have 2 raised to power 0, this is equal to 1. So if you have minus 2 over 5 raised to the power 0, this is equal to 1. Now, in the second example, if you have x raised to power minus a, this is same as 1. This minus sign becomes this division line. Then you bring down x, then the power a. Now, for example, if you have 2 raised to power minus 1, this is 1 over 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 1. Or if you have 3 raised to power minus 4, this is same as 1 over 3 raised to power what? 4. Now the third law says that x raised to power a bracket raised to power what? B. Now if you are given something like this, you just multiply the powers. So this is x raised to power a times b, which will give me x raised to power ab. For example, if you have 2 raised to power 3 bracket raised to power minus 2, this is same as 2 raised to power 3 times 2, which will give me 2 raised to power what? 6. Now another law we have says that x raised to power a plus x raised to power what? B. Now times x raised to power what? B. Now in indices, multiplication is same as addition if their base is the same. So since we have the same base, you bring out 1. Then if their base is the same and it is multiplication, you add their powers. So you are going to now have a plus b. For example, if you have 2 raised to power 3 multiply 2 raised to power what? 4. Look at this, the base is the same, which is 2. This will be 2. Then you add the powers, 3 plus 4, which will give me 2 raised to power what? 7. Now the fifth law says x raised to power a divide x raised to power what? B. Now in indices, division is same as subtraction. So if their base is the same, take note, you bring down the base, we have x, we have x, you bring down x. If it is division, you subtract their powers. So this is a minus what? B. For example, if you have 3 raised to power 4 multiply 3 raised to power what? 2. Sorry, we are on division. Now you bring down 3, then you subtract their power. So this is 4 minus 2, which will give me 3 raised to power what? 2. So these are the 5 laws we have. We still have other laws. Let's take the other laws. Now the sixth law here says x, if you have x over y raised to power minus a. Now what? This is under fractional law. To solve, you are going to remove this minus sign. If you are to remove this minus sign, you are going to interchange the numerator and the denominator. So instead of having x over y, it will now be y over x raised to power what? A. For example, if you have let's say you have 3 over 4 raised to power minus 2. So to remove this negative sign as a power, I will interchange 3 and 4. So this will now be 4 over 3 raised to power what? 2. I will know that the power is affecting both 4 and 3. So this is 4 square over 3 what? Square, which will give me 16 over what? 9. Now the seventh law here says that x raised to power half, anything raised to the power of half is the square root of that thing. So x raised to power half is telling you square root of what? X. For example, if you have 4 raised to power half, this is telling you square root of 4, which will give me what? 2. Now another law we have, this is under the seventh law. If you have x raised to power 1 over 3, it's telling you cube root of what? X. And cube root of x, for example, if I have If I have 64 raised to power 1 over 3. Now this is cube root of what? 64. Cube root means which number will I multiply 3 times to give me 64? 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 will give me 64. So the cube root of 64 is what? 4. So let's take the last law. Let's take the last law. Now look at this law. This law says number 8. If you have x raised to power a over b. Now look at what I'm doing. I will draw a square root, then this b, the denominator will come outside, this x will be inside the square root, then bracket raised to power what? A. For example, if I have 27 raised to power 2 over 3, this will give me cube root of what? 27 all raised to the power of what? 2. And cube root of 27 is 3. 3 times 3 times 3 into 3 places will give me 27. So this will give me 3 raised to power what? 2. And 3 power 2 will give me what? 9 as my answer. Thank you for having me today. Bye-bye.